Hello everyone, this is my to-do list project where you can see if someone want to type anything and make it as a to-do list, then the user can do this by typing input inside the input, like if he or she has to make a to-do list to do in future, so they can type here generally like I want to complete this project soon. Then only click here submit. Then if they complete that, then they can generally type checked here. uh, then the line will show here as cut through, and they can understand that the work is complete. And if they want to remove the list, remove the item from the list, then they can click on crossbar, then it is removed. uh, Same here. And if they refresh, then the remaining list will shown here. And now talking about my code here in HTML, I have heading, main container div, and input container div where I have a input, I have a button, and other I have a list item where I put all the unordered list here of the creating list. Here is a CSS file of all the for all the styling of every details. And here is my JavaScript file. Here I first put an event listener on input button, uh, input user function work. Here you can see my input user function. It will take input value and from input, and if there is nothing, then it will show you alert that please fill the input field, and it will run the function create list. And here is a create list. Here I take two parameters, value and is complete. And first I take list container where I take list item, list element, and where I add class list of list element, and put inner HTML of paragraph where I had span and I icon of X mark, which remove the list item from the list, and I append it to the list container. And here I am adding a class of line through, which uh, comes in span. And if the work is true, if the work is checked, then it will show you the line through class. And another I put an event listener to remove icon, where it will visible like remove element is showing here, remove element function which I put down there. And here is a checkbox. I'm taking from checkbox class, and it has a event listener which is changing the line through, class. If the if the user toggle it, and running the saved item function. And here is a remove element function, and here is a toggle function which I was talking about earlier. And another I have a saved item which is saving in uh, local storage. Here I put list item array, empty array, and I am taking every element, and uh, that I put for each. For that, I am taking from span its inner text, and checkbox from checkbox it's checked if it's checked or not, and put and pushing it to the list item, and storing it in local storage with set item. And here I put the function of load save data, which is which is which is low. This function is work when the page is load, which is put it here with the event listener. When the event when the event over, then it will work like load save data when the page is load. Thank you.